Okay, so right now, I'm going to tell you one of the winners for the Kids' Choice Awards 2014. It was none other than Ariana Grande, along with One Direction. Yes, I picture she would win. Good talent, performance, everything. And you know what? Just love her hair. Oh yeah, her hair and dress were like literally stunning. Don't you agree? Wow. She stunned whatever color the carpet was. Red, orange. Could be any color, I guess. Well, minds beat minds. That's for sure. And you know what? I say it was one good choice. I agree. How about you?